Welcome to CMG Music Productions, and this is an introduction to fundamental chord structures. A scale can be thought of like a ladder that we are going up. And we can come back down too. A chord jumps 2 steps at a time. Hopefully you won't need an ambulance after this, because it's pretty easy. We can play these chords on a bass, on a piano, a choir, some flutes perhaps, a Chinese guyang, a music box,
synthesizer,
or even the string section in an orchestra. So as we've seen, we can play these chords on any instrument. So if you learn how the chords work, you can truly take off. It's easy.